Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how you can unsend emails and messages sent to contacts through Proton Mail. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys, so let me guide you through this really quickly. So in the first step, head over to Proton Mail, log into your account, and what you want to do next, guys, is click on that new message button here in the top left corner to start a new email. Next, enter your recipient's email address here, the subject below, type your email here, and once you're ready to send that email, click on that send button in the bottom right corner, and there you go. As you can see, that email has been sent. Now, after sending, you will have a couple of seconds to undo the sending by clicking on undo here. There you go, that email has been recalled. Just bear in mind that it will have only a couple of seconds to undo the sending, guys. If you don't click on that undo button within these seconds after sending the email will get sent to the recipient's email address irreversibly. Luckily though, you can elongate the cancellation period by simply heading over to your email account's settings by clicking on that gear icon here. Next, in your settings, head over to this section, messages and composing. Scroll down a bit till you get to the composing department here. And after that, simply select a longer cancellation period here from, for example, you can switch from 10 seconds to 20 seconds or make it shorter, like for example, change it to 5 seconds. Or get rid of that cancellation period at all by selecting 0 seconds. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.